Welcome back to Cute Thing Corner. In today's tutorial, we're going to learn how to draw a coffee cup step by step. Grab your pen and let's start drawing together. Thanks so much for watching this tutorial. If you enjoyed it, please like, share, and subscribe to Cute Thing Corner for more kawaii drawings. Don't forget to share your finished drawing on Instagram stories and tag us. We'd love to see your art. Remember, it's all just for fun, so relax and enjoy the process. See you in the next tutorial.